Hi, my name's Ray at Water Heaters Now, and this video is to show you how to tighten up a packing nut anytime you have a water valve where you open and close the water valve and then suddenly there's a leak coming from it. If you don't know anything about valves, you might not know how to fix that, so I'm going to show you what you need to do. So to begin with, you just notice that this packing nut is leaking because there's a little bit of water on top of the heater after we did our annual service. Nothing wrong with the valve, you just have to tighten the packing. So we're going to remove the outside nut, take the handle off, and then tighten the packing nut. So you take the nut off, then wiggle the handle off, and you'll see this nut back here is actually the packing nut. And you'll notice after I tighten it, it'll stop dripping. Just usually about 1/8 of a turn or so. And after tightening that, just take a towel and dry all around, because those drips tend to show up within just about 3 or 4 seconds if they exist at all. As you can see, now it's dry, and that's how you tighten up a packing nut. Then you just go ahead and put the handle and the outside holding nut back in place. And just a 1/4 turn for snugness will be just fine. And then when you open the valve, it shouldn't leak again.